Whale Wash crew, I seen their front door and I think we've been here before. That's because we have. We're at a house that we've already done in the past. Eric's getting the ladder set up right now and we're gonna get to gutter cleaning. We got this story right here. We're in the back of the house right now. Eric's gonna get up there. I'm gonna clean up down here and then we're gonna, rotate around the house, go to the front. I'm gonna get up top and yeah.
Whale Wash crew, we're going up and I don't know what my Raybans Metas are. You know what, I might just try to blow it all out, honestly.
All right.
No.
Oh, I didn't even oh, nah, bro.
Catch.
Indeed.
So Makai, you want to try to pull the trampoline?
Yeah.
It's going to be a pain to clean. I would. Should I come down for gas?
Yeah. If I can bring you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. First like 10 minutes, I was just trying to go out of time when you start either. Then I checked the oil. It was good. So I flipped that orange one and flipped it back. And then it was really good.
Whale Wash crew. So, this right here is the last gutter we have to clean on this job site. We made quick work of it so far. It's been 40 minutes. And Kai's been doing a great job going around cleaning up. So by the time I'm done with this and get down here helping Kai clean up, we should definitely finish in less than an hour. Then it's on to the next job, which is this person's neighbor. So, let's do it. Go Whale Wash crew, job site number 2. Job site number 2, what it do? So this job site Whale Wash crew is actually a stinky one. Hate to say it, but it's true. There is dog poo all over the ground. Ew. I like this spot right here. That looks like it's gonna connect.
Oh, one higher probably.
sorry if this video was a little uneventful, but job's done. Thanks to the new blower, guys. This thing worked like a charm. Thank you for sticking around. See you guys on the